We've all watched application teams struggle with large graphics, whether it's on the hood of the vehicle or whether it's on the side. It can be kind of funny to watch, but it's never fun when you're in the middle of it. Those guys were really struggling, and the reason they were struggling so hard was that so much of the adhesive of that graphic was exposed. It was touching all the wrong places at the wrong times. What we want to be sure of when we're doing a vehicle wrap is that we only expose exactly the amount of adhesive necessary to get the job started. Then we can control the application throughout the whole job.
We are going to explain a technique that requires only one installer to apply a hood graphic or any other large graphic. This same technique can be used for full vehicle side graphic applications as well. First, we must remove the washer jets and clean the surface prior to installation. Then, place the graphic on the hood in position. Confirm registration all around. Magnets are very useful for holding the graphic in place. Then cut away excess vinyl, but don't cut too much. It's good to have a little excess vinyl for handling and to absorb heat and tension as you get closer to the front of the hood. Notice how I cut the corners as a curve. I do this because a 90-degree corner folds over onto itself much more easily than a curve. Applying this graphic in 3 smaller pieces would be much easier than one large graphic, and that is exactly what we are going to do. Instead of removing all of the liner at once, remove it one section at a time. This helps you, the applicator, in several ways. By removing the liner in sections, you keep the uninstalled adhesive clean of static drawn particles and oil from your fingers. This keeps the adhesive completely intact and reduces the need to snap up large areas, reducing stretch. Using a backslitter knife, cut a section of liner as shown, but don't remove it. Peel it back about 6 inches or 15 centimeters and begin your installation. Continue to peel the liner back as you finish installing that section. As you finish a section, be sure to leave a straight line of application along the bottom. This makes beginning the 3rd section much easier. It is not necessary to apply the vinyl all the way out to the edges of the first 2 sections. You will likely need to snap the edges up after the 3rd section is applied in order to get a smooth and consistent finish. Repeat this procedure for the 2nd section. Now, lift the 3rd section and snap up about 2 inches or 5 centimeters of the applied vinyl to make a straight line of application. Again, peel the same amount of liner back and start applying the third section. It is usually easier to install this section by leading slightly in the center. This helps to combat wrinkles that are caused by the compound curve of the hood. The technique of sectional application is important to learn because it allows you to always be in control of the application, no matter how large the graphic is.
Now the flat parts of all three sections are applied. It is time to apply the sides, and then finally the front.
Every part of a vehicle wrap is difficult. So don't take all the liner off in one big piece and fight with the graphic. Take the liner off in small pieces and use the adhesive and stay in control.